This is T Mike making a video today on do-it-yourself gear oil transfer pump. So if you're a vintage outboard enthusiast like I am, you probably change out gear oil in your vintage motors almost every day, and the conventional pumps that you screw onto the top of your bottle just ain't cutting it. You got to refill it too many times. There's a lot of spillage. It's just, I decided to upgrade. So full disclosure, I found some other YouTube videos that had some great ideas on hand pumps. So I kind of devised my own that I'm going to try today, and I'm going to show you step by step on what we're going to do. So first thing you're going to need is one of these Scott's battery powered sprayers. You can find it on Amazon for 70 bucks. Very cool. The handle has actually got a battery in it that you can recharge, and it pressurizes the tank automatically without having to pump it. Very cool. Second thing you're going to need is the standard oil pump that you're probably using now. This is a Slippery Pete lower unit gear oil pump. You can find it on eBay for 20 bucks. All right. And the third thing we're going to need is an inline fuel shutoff valve. This is a Briggs & Stratton part number 698183. You can find it at Home Depot for 2 bucks. So what we're going to do is take the inline sprayer, cut the sprayer handle off of it, put this inline tube in it, cut the pump off, handle off, put it on the other end of the line, and then we can automatically change our gear oil. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make it. Here we go. Okay, got the sprayer out of the box, and here's the handle assembly. We're not going to need that. Put it aside. Here's the hose that screws into the sprayer. Alright, I'm just going to clip it off about right here. We're not going to need this piece. Take my inline and it's a little small. We're going to need to put a clamp on it. Okay, I just put a standard clamp. And here's the end of my Slippery Pete. That's going to screw into the lower unit, so I'm gonna cut it kind of short, because when you shut off the valve, this oil is going to remain in there, so we'll have less waste. Let's see how that fits on there. Now that fits tight. I don't think we need a clamp on that. All right, so we'll be able to turn the oil on and off right here. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my head and I'm gonna charge it up, and then we'll fill it with oil and test it out. I think it's gonna work, Shy. Okay, got my power head charged up. Didn't take long. I'm gonna pressurize it just by, and I've also filled my tank more than halfway full of 90 weight gear oil. So, got my valve here. I'm gonna turn the pump on to pressurize the tank. You can see the green light, and you can hear the pump pressurizing the air in the tank. We'll wait till it shuts off. That means it's fully pressurized. All right, she shut off, pressurized. So I'm gonna open my valve and see if I get some oil coming out. And look at here. She's pushing out oil. Not real fast, but it's good enough. That should fill that gear case. Let's put it on an empty gear case and check it out, shall Alright, so here's the final test. I got my do-it-yourselfer automated gear transfer kit screwed into the lower unit here. And it's pressurized up. See the green lights on. Pressured up. I'm going to open the valve. And I saw the oil squirt through the clear tubing, so it's pressurizing. Now we need to wait and see how long it takes for the oil to come out the top. I'm going to time it. And we just have to wait and see, Shy. To me, it's better than pumping and holding a bottle and kick off fire. Too complicated. You can actually go on and do something else while this is happening. Maybe work on an ignition magneto, or listen to music, or I don't know, watch something on Netflix. Do something. 30 seconds. I can see the bubbles. I can see bubbles through there. It's pumping. It's still pumping. Still pumping. Still pumping. It's been 1 minute and 15 seconds. I'm gonna say 3 minutes. What you think? It's been 1 minute 45. We're still waiting. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Three minutes. We have oil. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. I'm going to shut off the valve. clean out the little bit of oil that came out the top. So there you go, guys. There's your automated gear transfer, T-Mike style. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See you next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.